Building a home is a huge step. It's also exciting. The journey from an empty plot of land to a fully constructed house is filled with anticipation and dreams. Every brick laid and every nail hammered brings you closer to your dream home. You get to create a space that's perfect for you and your family. This is your chance to design a home that reflects your lifestyle, your needs, and your personal taste. From the layout of the rooms to the color of the walls, every decision is yours to make. But it's easy to get carried away with costs. Don't worry, with careful planning and smart choices, you can manage your budget effectively. It's all about prioritizing what's most important to you and finding cost-effective solutions for the rest. You can build a beautiful, functional home without breaking the bank. Affordable doesn't mean compromising on quality or style. There are plenty of ways to achieve a stunning look while keeping costs down. This essay will give you practical advice to make your dream home a reality. We'll explore various strategies to help you save money without sacrificing your vision. From choosing the right materials to negotiating with contractors, we've got you covered. We'll cover everything from setting a budget to finding deals. Knowing where to shop and how to compare prices can make a significant difference. We'll also discuss the importance of timing and how buying materials during sales can save you a lot. Follow these tips and you'll be on your way to owning a home you love. Let's get started. The journey might be challenging, but the reward of having a place to call your own is worth every effort. This is an exciting time. Watching your home take shape step by step is incredibly fulfilling. Every milestone, from laying the foundation to the final touches, brings a sense of accomplishment and joy. Let's make sure it's a successful one too. With the right approach and a bit of patience, you can turn your dream into reality. Remember, it's not just about building a house, it's about creating a home where memories are made and cherished for years to come. First things first, set a budget. This is the cornerstone of your entire project. Without a clear budget, you risk overspending and running into financial trouble down the line. Take the time to sit down and really think about what you can afford. This is the most important step. It's not just about the numbers, it's about being realistic and honest with yourself. Look at your income, your savings, and any other financial commitments you have. Be honest about what you can afford. It's easy to get carried away with dreams of a perfect home, but those dreams need to be grounded in reality. Don't forget to include everything. This means every little detail, from the cost of land to the price of nails. This means land, materials, labor, permits, and more. Each of these elements can add up quickly, and it's crucial to account for them all. Once you have a number, stick to it. This is where discipline comes in. It's easy to get tempted by upgrades and additional features, but remember, every extra cost can push you over budget. It's easy to get tempted by upgrades. Those fancy countertops or high-end appliances might look appealing, but they can quickly inflate your budget. But those extras add up fast. Before you know it, you could be looking at a budget that's spiraled out of control. Remember, it's better to have a smaller, well-built home than a half-finished project. Quality over quantity should be your mantra. A good budget is detailed and realistic. It should cover all aspects of the build and leave room for unexpected expenses. It's the foundation for a successful build. Just like a house needs a strong foundation, your project needs a solid financial plan. Planning your finances carefully now will save you headaches down the road. A well-thought-out budget can prevent a lot of stress and ensure that your project runs smoothly. Trust me on this one. Taking the time to set a realistic budget is one of the best investments you can make in your home building journey. It will pay off in the long run, giving you peace of mind and a home you can truly enjoy. Land is a big expense. Choosing the right location can save you money. Look for areas with affordable land prices. Think about what you need. Do you need to be close to the city, or is being close to nature more important? Remember, location affects more than just land prices. Property taxes, building codes, and even the cost of materials can vary. Do your research. Finding affordable land in a desirable area is a great start to your project. When it comes to building, simpler is often better. Choose a floor plan that is efficient and functional. Avoid unnecessary hallways or wasted space. Open floor plans are popular and can make your home feel larger. Think about how you live. Do you need a formal dining room, or would a combined kitchen and living area work better? A well-designed floor plan maximizes space and minimizes costs. Remember, a good floor plan is all about maximizing functionality and flow. Section 5. Building blocks on a budget, cost-effective material choices. Building materials can eat up your budget quickly, but there are ways to save without sacrificing quality. Shop around and compare prices. Consider using recycled or reclaimed materials. For example, reclaimed wood can add character and charm to your home, and it's often cheaper than buying new lumber. Talk to your builder about cost-effective options. Choosing the right materials can save you money and give your home a unique look. Section 6. Tools of the trade DIY projects for significant savings. One of the best ways to save money is to do it yourself. If you're handy, consider tackling some of the work yourself. Painting, tiling, and landscaping are all projects that homeowners can do. But be realistic about your skills and limitations. Don't attempt anything beyond your abilities. If you're unsure, it's best to hire a professional. Remember, every little bit you can do yourself helps. Section 7. Fixture finds and appliance adventures, hunting for deals. In this section, we will explore the art of finding the best deals on fixtures and appliances for your home. Whether you're renovating your kitchen, upgrading your bathroom, or simply looking to replace an old appliance, there are plenty of ways to save money without compromising on quality. Fixtures and appliances are another big expense, but with a little bit of effort and some smart shopping strategies, you can significantly reduce your costs. Start by making a list of the items you need and setting a budget. This will help you stay focused and avoid impulse purchases. But you don't have to break the bank. Look for sales and discounts. Shop around at different retailers. Consider buying floor models or slightly damaged appliances for a fraction of the cost. Many stores offer significant discounts on items that have minor cosmetic damage or have been used as display models. These items are often in perfect working condition and can be a great way to save money. Don't be afraid to negotiate. You might be surprised at how much you can save by simply asking. Many retailers are willing to offer discounts, especially if you're buying multiple items or if the item has been in stock for a while. Be polite but firm, and don't be afraid to walk away if the price isn't right. Remember, patience is key when hunting for deals. Take your time and don't settle for the first price you see. Use online resources to compare prices and read reviews. Sign up for newsletters and follow your favorite stores on social media to stay informed about upcoming sales and promotions. By being patient and doing your research, you can find great deals on the fixtures and appliances you need for your home. Energy, efficiency saving money in the long run. Investing in energy-efficient features will save you money on your utility bills. Choose energy-efficient windows, appliances, and insulation. These upgrades may cost more upfront, but they'll pay for themselves over time. Consider installing solar panels or a geothermal heating and cooling system. These renewable energy sources can significantly reduce your carbon footprint and your energy costs. Remember, building green isn't just good for the environment, it's good for your wallet too. The unexpected happens. Planning for contingencies. No matter how well you plan, unexpected expenses can always arise. That's why it's essential to have a contingency fund ready. Set aside at least 10% of your budget for unforeseen costs. This will help you avoid going into debt if something unexpected happens. It's always better to be safe than sorry, truly. A little planning now can save you a lot of stress later on. Trust me, it's definitely worth it. Building your future, the joy of homeownership. Building a home is a challenging but rewarding experience. By following these essential tips, you can make your dream home a reality without breaking the bank. Remember to be patient, be resourceful, and don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. Embrace the process. The end result will be a home that you love and are proud to call your own. This is your dream. Make it happen. Your dream, your way making smart choices. Building a dream home on a budget is about making smart choices. It's about prioritizing your needs and finding creative solutions. Remember, it's your home. Don't be afraid to put your personal stamp on it. With careful planning and a little elbow grease, you can create a space that reflects your style and fits your budget. Happy building. This is more than just a house. It's your home. Make it special.